Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do a little not so hard cooking again with my Dezin pot. So stay tuned. I'll be steaming cabbage right now. So I'm just gonna show you how I steam cabbage in my Dezin electrical pot. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I appreciate you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and of course stay motivated. All right, so that's the pot, and this is the cabbage already cut up. Cabbage, onion, tomatoes. So I'm just gonna put it in there now. Okay, stir it up a little bit. Just let it stay there and steam. Okay. Alright, stay tuned. I'm just going to add some salt. I'm going to add a little black pepper. You don't have to, but I'm just going to add a little black pepper. Okay, cover it back. Let's cover it and let it steam. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys. Ready. I want it to have a little crunch to it. So I'm going to turn it off now. Alright. And I'm going to serve this with some rice. Okay, guys, so that's dinner. Rice and cabbage. Rice and cabbage. Steamed cabbage. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, and of course, stay motivated.